Today I want to create a lemon tart for you. So come with me, I show you how we do it. So first I put all the ingredients into the machine. First egg, sugar, flour and butter. And it has to rest for more or less 1 hour in the fridge. So leave it in the fridge. The dough has rested and now we roll the dough out. And then we put the dough into the forms, in the small forms. I do like this, it's easier. In the meanwhile, you heat the oven up and bake the dough for 20 minutes. So that the dough doesn't get that high, you have to bake it blind, it's called. I put some paper and beans over the dough, that the dough doesn't get that high. So I put it into the form. You bake it blind. Now we put the forms in the oven for 20 minutes by 180 degrees. Okay, in the meanwhile, I prepare lemon curd. It's really delicious. I use some eggs, sugar, fresh lemon juice, and in the end I put some butter in it. So I do it in the oven. I put all together. I put some from the organic lemon, a little from outside into the curd. Just a little bit. And then I mix it. Slowly, not too hot, that it gets a really good creamy consistency. You have to wait till it boils. In the end, I put pieces of butter in it. The lemon curd is ready. It's still too hot, so it has to rest a little bit and we have to wait some minutes. So now it should be ready. Let's have a look. Yeah, looks good. In the meanwhile, we prepare the meringue, the topping. We put some egg white into the bowl, vanilla sugar, baking powder and some sugar. Now I put the lemon curd into the forms. And now you put the topping into the form. Finally, I put the forms for 3 or 4 minutes in the oven with overheat, that it gets a little brown on the top. Okay, that's perfect now. You can see the brown, little brown on the top. That's perfect. And now you have to put it in the fridge for some hours and then you can eat it. Buon appetito!
Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on pinkrambutan.com.